Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Way at ngayon tayo mag-explore sa mundo ng digital products gamit ang Canva. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or just someone who loves design, this video is for you. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly are digital products? Well, they are goods or services that exist in a digital format. Think ebooks, printables, and social media graphics. Hindi tulad ng physical products, hindi mo na kailangan ng shipping or ng storage. Agad itong ma-access online. Now, let's explore the types of digital products that you can create with Canva. Ebooks. Gumawa ng informative guides, novela, or educational material, Canva templates make it free. Printables, think planners, calendars, worksheets, and art prints. Get creative and customize them in Canva. Social media graphics, want eye-catching Instagram posts or Pinterest pins, Canva's got your back. Educational materials, create digital course, study guides, or tutorials. Share your expertise. Template. Bagamat hindi mo pwedeng direktang ibenta ang Canva template, gamitin mo to sa marketing, customize ang flyers, ads, at iba pa. Now, why should you care about digital products? Selling digital products can be lucrative side hustle or even a full-fledged business. Canva helps you turn ideas into market-ready products. Mula sa mga Etsy shop owners hanggang sa food bloggers, there's a niche waiting for your creation. Canva's versatility lets you cater to various audiences. No inventory management, no shipping costs, your main investment, creativity, and time. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly, no physical constraint. And there you have it. Digital products are game changer and Canva is your creative playground. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with fellow creators. Until next time, keep designing, keep creating, and stay along on your way. Ciao.